Have you ever found yourself looking at the one you love, only to realize they're in love with someone else? It's a tale as old as time, the story of unrequited love, a feeling so profound yet often overlooked. Imagine this, a girl, let's call her Jane. Jane is best friends with a guy, let's call him John. They've known each other their entire lives. They share inside jokes, late-night conversations, and a bond that seems unbreakable. Jane, however, harbors a secret. She's in love with John. John, on the other hand, is smitten with another girl. She's the cheer captain, the girl everyone wants to be around. Jane watches as John's eyes light up for someone else, while she's left on the sidelines, her feelings for him hidden beneath a facade of friendship. Jane wears t-shirts and sneakers, a stark contrast to the cheer captain's short skirts and high heels. She dreams about the day John will realize that what he's looking for has been right in front of him the whole time. That the one who truly understands him, the one who's been there all along, is her. Picture them walking down the street, John in his worn-out jeans, laughing on a park bench. Jane can't help but think how perfect it all could be. She knows his favorite songs, his dreams, his fears. She knows his smile that can light up the entire town. A smile she hasn't seen in a while, not since the cheer captain came into the picture. So she waits, standing by his back door, hoping he'll realize. She wonders, all this time, how could he not know? She's the one who makes him laugh when he's about to cry, the one who stays up late just to talk to him. She's not just a friend, she's more than that. But the question remains, will John ever see that he belongs with Jane? That the love he's been seeking is hidden within their friendship? In the end, it's a story of unrequited love and friendship, a tale of longing and understanding. It's about a girl who loves a boy who loves another girl, and the complicated dance of emotions that ensues. It's about Jane, standing by, waiting, hoping that one day John will realize that he belongs with her. In summary, unrequited love is a journey filled with longing, hope, and the courage to wait. It's a testament to the strength of friendship and the depth of feelings hidden beneath the surface. It's about finding the courage to love, even when love means waiting for someone to see what's been in front of them the whole time.